Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy, a platform for fashion design, art, and creativity, helping you become the best version of yourself by offering a range of resources, including educational and entertainment content for fashion enthusiasts at all levels. Offering courses to help you develop skills and talents in designing, such as sketching and draping and pattern making, collection development, fabrics and textiles, branding and marketing, as well as answering your specific questions in the segment called Ask Nino Via. Welcome to another episode of Ask Nino Via. You got questions in fashion designing? I've got answers. Let's go. Where I answer your questions, your inquiries, your challenges, and so on. We will review the latest fashion shows from top European and domestic designers in order to stay on top of the latest ideas and directions. We will go behind the scenes and meet with up-and-coming designers and share their challenges and aspirations. I personally enjoy the one-on-one coaching and consulting service, where I get to work with you very closely from the early stages of your brand's inception, guiding you through the process of designing and manufacturing, coaching a new brand, Reverie. There is Candlin, the designer and owner of Reverie. Had a great meeting with Christine downtown LA, went over sketches, ideas, fabrications, went over patterns. Look at these beautiful patterns right there. This is the beginning of something amazing. Follow the journey. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced professional, there is something here for you. So join Fashion Premier Academy and embark on your journey towards excellence in the world of fashion. Design your future. Start now. See you in class.